Today we're here at the Cordon Bleu Career Fair. This is a really valuable event that industry engagement team hold for our students. Work integrated learning is a unique component of their degree. We invite industry guests from all over Australia and sometimes internationally to come and present their brands to our students.
The career fairs are a great opportunity for us to see the students in person, find out where they're looking for placements. We offer housekeeping, room attendant roles, porter roles and reception roles.
I'm looking to do probably a smaller restaurant for my placement, just so I can get more one-on-one time with the chefs. Once I graduate, I'm looking at moving overseas.
I fell in love with the Mandarin Oriental in Barcelona and I wanted to work for them. With the help of the industry engagement team, they got me a position over there.
Being able to actually graduate with 6 to 12 months of experience in industry, it also provides our students with graduate opportunities afterwards.